It's fine. Everything's fine. It'll be fine. All right, before we get too far into this video, I just have to say that pretty much this whole hike was a fail. And I'd love to say it's somebody else's fault, but it's mine. I didn't double check the directions to the trailhead and just punched stuff into Google and let her rip. Well, that didn't work out so well in the end. No one died. No one got injured. So everything was okay, but we may not have achieved our goal on this one. Just want to let you know that going into it. And if you notice us getting a little more tired, a little more frustrated with each step, it's because we were on the wrong trail. Once again, we are off into the woods because someone wants to go see the Noble Knob.
What? No, these were your hike choices.
Okay,
Someone wants to go to probably an old fire lookout. At least 2 of the 3 options you gave me were fire lookouts. So.
Okay, in all fairness, I gave her 3 options of hikes that were in the length and elevation parameters that we've figured out that she's good for. All of which have great views because this is probably one of the last beautiful sunny days we're gonna get for this year. And she picked the one with the knob in the name. I'm just saying there might be some correlation.
They're all called knob or butte or view or lookout or mountain.
So knob, butt, or looking out.
Butte.
All right.
Or meadow or... That's pretty much just all I can think of. Valley.
You want to go take a walk through somebody's verdant meadow? Okay.
You're not going to get me to bite on any of that stuff.
I hope she doesn't bite. I've seen some poorly marked trailheads before, but I'm gonna tell you this one takes the cake. You didn't miss it, did you? Because that was it. No parking lot. No, hey, trail to anything. Just a sign with a number. All right, we have arrived. Road Rash, any final thoughts?
You're both crazy. Getting up early in the morning to drive to the middle of nowhere to hike up a hill? Stupid.
He's in charge of security, so I'd listen to what he says.
Yeah, well, he's usually right. I don't always like that he's right, but he doesn't appreciate seeing the top of a hill like we do.
We like all of these fire lookouts.
That's it. No more fire lookouts for you. Last one. I hope you enjoy it. All the rest of the hikes for her are going to be river walks down in town that have 0 elevation gain and probably are paved.
No, I hate the paved ones.
Aww. I've seen lots of these before, but I've never seen them this big or in this configuration. It's pretty cool.
I love it when someone says a comment like, up and over, and then they do this. Yeah, it doesn't look like that when I do it.
I don't think I've ever gotten up on top of a ridge this fast before, but the forest is now flat. And I can see sunlight, like level with us. And somebody's over here kicking sticks.
I was just like rebounding up from behind me, kicking me in the heel.
Did you find a good stick?
That's a good poke the fire stick.
Somebody found a good stick. Never underestimate the power of a good stick.
A lot of good sticks out here.
I won't make any bold statements, but I know she likes a good piece of wood.
You Lord of the Rings, whatever that one on Amazon, the Power of the Rings one. You do not find the staff finds you.
Rarely do I ever worry about getting lost in the woods. I'm going to tell you right now, we lost the trail back here a little bit. And just for my own reference, it's 0.59 miles from that trailhead. Trail disappears because all of this wood has come down in the last, I don't know, couple months. The trail disappears. So I left her back there and I made a big half circle, and I think I've picked it up here. But to get between there and here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 or 6 logs in the way that completely obscure the trail. And all the pieces that came off the trees just completely hid it. And I'm really wishing we had flagging tape right now so we could mark which way to go, because it's not obvious right now. There's Allison looking for a way to get around back onto the trail because the trail's screwed. All right, I have got to get a new watch. I love my Coros Pace, but I think it's Coros Pace 1, and I believe they're on the 3rd or 4th version now. Climbing up this hill here, and it's telling me I'm on a negative 14% grade, and that we've gone up 633 feet so far in the last mile and some odd feet, and gone down 774 feet, which is odd because it's all pretty much been uphill. So I think my watch is senile. Coros, still need another watch. Send me one, please. I love this one, but it's gone loco. Well, I take it as this is a sign that we're on a trail. I'm not sure I take it as a good sign that people are losing clothes along the trail.
I'm getting hot.
Bigfoot, was that you eating these people? Maybe. We heard a branch break back there. And the wind's not moving. The trail just keeps disappearing into that.
I wouldn't touch that too much because it's the right color to be a pea rag.
Smells fine. This is lovely terrain. Die. I might be able to just move you. Look at those cool ass mushrooms.
Wow. The entire Smurf village.
Isn't that cool?
Very cool.
And you whack it with the stick.
Sorry.
Jeez.
Sorry, shrooms. Burn from the inside.
I am not loving this trail. I've hiked some harder trails. This one sucks. It needs a lot of maintenance. Dead still day. But someone was knocking trees down up here. Not entirely sure what it was. Actually had Al grab the bear spray. Prep it just in case. Because it could be a bear turning logs over looking for bugs.
You've seen bear scat, right?
Nah, yeah, I've been seeing, we saw bear scat early. Haven't seen any lately. You getting something?
Sweaty. Yeah, horses smell when they get sweaty.
Yeah, it's probably elk then, hopefully. Find out. It's fine. Everything's fine. It'll be fine. Put your hands in there like you just don't care.
Oh, hey.
The other ominous thing is there's a stellar jay flying around. And after we heard all those tree breaks, he started hollering. We're debating who he is alerting. The other critters that we're here, or us that other critters are here. One of the two. Quick interjection here. By about this point, I think we were both wondering what the hell was up with this trail and why was it not matching up with the trail descriptions we had read. But we soldiered on because it has to be just right over the next hill. No, it will not be right over the next hill.
So, is this...
So that's not entirely fresh, but that pile right there, whoo, that stinks. There is a large animal somewhere close by.
Hey, bear. Ho, bear. Hey, bear.
Oh boy. I haven't run across poop fresh enough to smell that wasn't horse in a long time. That's disconcerting. All right, up the trail to our certain death. Ride the horsey. Don't fall off the horsey.
Break it.
I was trying.
Oh, it's got too much support at this end.
He's springy.
Got a good bend in it.
Yeah. All right. Up and
On
over.
we go.
Okay, it's official. We gave up on the trail. We knew we were 500 feet from the road we're on now. So we went just up and over the top, off trail. Kind of sketchy, but quite honestly, going through all the burned trees and down trees in the forest was about as good as going down the trail. So now we're gonna walk up this access road that supposedly goes to Noble Knob. And then we have said, screw it, we're not taking the trail back down. We're gonna take the road back because that was a bitch of a hike. The trail itself, if it was open, would be easy peasy. It would be a great hike. But the amount of blowdowns and trying to find the trail and losing the trail, finding the trail, no, not worth it going back.
If you're going uphill the whole way and then you have to jump over a log uphill, and then you realize that the trail you've been following was the elk trail and not the real trail. So lots of fun.
That trail needs a lot of maintenance.
It was kind of an awesome physical challenge, but I haven't seen any of this forest. Like, I've been so busy looking at the logs on my feet that I haven't been looking elsewhere. Okay, I swear I recognize this fire pit.
That's not even on that spur.
Let's get to the knob so we can get down and take our break, and we can read all of our materials that we have to see if any of this makes any sense.
None of it makes any sense.
But I swear we've driven on this road.
MF 7222-1, maybe. This road gets driven a lot, so maybe we can hitch a ride back to a van. Google says Noble Knob is right here, but there's obviously no view from here, and there's supposed to be a fire lookout at Noble Knob, but we have found a sketchy ass trail going off into the woods, which makes me wonder if this doesn't lead to the old fire lookout. 15 minutes in, see what we get?
Yes.
Okay. Now that we know that we can find our way out before dark.
Yeah. It was supposed to be the easy one. Is it worth it? Scrambling over yet another tree
To go up a hill.
that I can't see. I can't see the end from here. If it wasn't the 8 millionth one of those we'd done, my attitude would be different.
All right, we're calling it because we've just discovered that the trailhead 1184 that we started on is not the right trailhead 1184. And we're effectively only halfway there. And well, it's time to turn around and go home. This is not, yeah.
This is the core.
Do not trust Google for your trailheads on this one.
Do not take the north trailhead unless you want your hike to be twice as long.
And horrible.
Okay, so this I think is my picture.
All right, so back down the hill, back to Lief, and home for dinner. Well, despite walking down the wrong trail slogging through a horrible forest over logs that, no, they were just horrible. And lots of fresh bear poop. And never getting to where we wanted to be. Today was a decent day. We got some great views of the mountains around here. It's beautiful. The weather's absolutely gorgeous for early October. Any thoughts as we finish up our last leg to Lief?
Yeah, I agree.
That's it. Yes, I agree. All right.
That's all I got left. That ghost forests from, you know, burn. What are they called? Forest fires?
Yeah, forest fires.
They're kind of beautiful, but man, making your way through all the down trees is
Brutal.
Yeah, a little more difficult.
Wait, what do I see in the distance? It's Lief.
Oh, hi, Leif.
All right,
Have we got a story for you, Leif? All right, I'm gonna get this garbage.
Yeah. The only thing I have to say to Road Rash, I have something to say to Road Rash. God damn it, man, you were right this time. Stupid idea. Typically, I do a toast at the top of hills or on peaks where we've achieved some great goal. Today, I'm toasting that we got back to Lief and we're done and we can go get a pizza. Salud.
Hair on your chest right there.
Good stuff.
Still tequila.
It's medicinal tequila to help you with leg cramps on the way home.
What? Is that really what it does?
That's 100% exactly what it does. And I am 100% not a doctor telling you that.